Alright, time to start on this fucking detail. This thing is cooked. Absolutely fried. We got it washed up pretty good yesterday. Kind of brought some of the silver back. This thing's beat. It's been repainted so many times. I could see a lot of the fucking sand scratches, all sorts of shit in it, but yeah, this thing is fried. Ew, it's so nasty. Disgusting. Absolutely fucking disgusting. Oh my god. Fucking nasty. Damn. What the fuck? What in the fuck? Why is that so hard to get off? Why is it so hard to fucking get off? Oh, so nasty. No good. No good. No good. Disgusting. Okay. Oh, I see. I see why it doesn't want to come off. We are gutting this fucking car because it is foul. Very foul. Very disgusting. No good. This shit's fucking ass. I hate this. Shaking. Clear afternoon. Good job here. Better in the town. Go to the town. been so long. With the seaman. Probably got the dope zone. 50s Camaros. Family swing. Cracker. Give me that. This motherfucker's rusty. Yeah. Oops. I'll leave this in my car. Don't worry. Goddamn. Fuck seats, bro. Oh, grab lunch? Yeah. Right, let me just angle here. It does. So yeah, we got the whole interior gutted. Pretty much just cleaning all the floorboard now. And cleaning all the rest of the plastics. And then we got all the seats out. We just pressure washed them and dried them. I still want to shampoo it eventually. Just probably not today. And the carpet's pressure washed. I'm gonna dye that today actually. Gonna dye it probably just black. It'll look cleaner with the rest of the interior. And now we're I forgot the record, but we're gonna start dyeing it with some Duplicolor. I've done this once before. It turns out pretty solid. So let's go ahead and continue going on this. So we got one can, basically one coat. We get a whole can's worth for one coat. And I probably could do 3 coats on this, maybe 4. I got 4 cans, so hopefully. I've done this once before, so I kind of already understand how to do it, at least effectively and efficiently. But just one coat, I mean, changed the look drastically. So we're gonna go ahead and let this cure for a second. It's hot out, so it's probably already ready, but then we'll hit on the second coat. We got the second coat laid down, and honestly, after 2 coats, it's been pretty much done. We might do a third. I think I have a little bit extra, so we'll go ahead and probably throw a third on there. Call it a day, but it looks pretty good. Better than what it was, at least, because that thing was thrashed, honestly, so a lot better. Oh, better. Well, one thing led to another. We're now in the shop pulling the headliner. Headliner is about to get pulled out. One of the things I really love about old cars, especially old Subarus, fucking easy as hell to get that shit out. Just like that, brother. It's a full fucking blonde race car now. And now we go ahead and we add this bitch. The headliner is prepped and ready for the spraying. And here the headliner is all done. Looks drastically better. Better than that light tan, beige, gray, ugly ass color. But just 3 coats of that, and that's all it takes. And we gotta put this thing back together here soon. See that new interior? Gonna look fire. Gotta love ghetto wiring. All this damn stereo wiring in this fucking car. Anyone need any stereo wiring, hit me up. This thing got plenty of it. Hell yeah, brother. Sick. So yeah, we got all this interior chilling here. Pretty much getting ready to put it back together. But if you walk over here, let me show you. Seats are still kind of dirty, but there's still little bits of mold that I'm finding. Like right there, stuff like that. So I'm gonna work on getting some chemicals and getting the rest of the smell and mold out of this car before I go ahead and put everything back in. Even though I want to put it all back in the interior, I need to make sure this shit's all solid before we do that.